If you never before, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chef Willie's channel. We always got some new food. Chef Willie always be cooking new ingredients for you guys today. Today I'm gonna show you how to make brown stew steamed fish, red snapper fish from scratch. Chef Willie style, isn't it? Cause Chef Willie always have something brand new for you. Chef Willie always have bubble up this stew for you too. Brand new red snapper fish. I get in gears, guys, and showing you how we do it from scratch. So I'm gonna show you. We got some red snapper fish. I'm gonna brown stew it down for you guys and show you how Chef Willie do it from scratch. Brown stew steamed fish. Stay tuned. So, guys, I'm gonna show you. I got a little broccoli and stuff right here. Chef Willie, you know how we do it. I'm gonna go into my gear and stuff. I'm gonna go in my put on my apron and stuff, but I got like my fish to prepare, a little broccoli in it. So I got some okra, some peppers, some garlic, natural garlic, and some corns, and what's that, carrot. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna style it up in a minute. Chef Willie, stay tuned, guys. Brown stew steamed fish from scratch. Yeah, so I'm gonna go again and show you all, guys, how I prepare my fish. First of all, I'm gonna show you the seasoning that I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna use some fish seasoning. Doesn't matter the brand, you know. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use some ginger, garlic, pimento, grease product, because they got pimentos in it, garlic and ginger. So that's a nice flavor to the pudding in, and a little black pepper. Remember, Chef Willie don't really use salt in his food, so I'm gonna show you guys how I go ahead and get this done. First of all, I'm gonna season, clean my fish first, guys. Always check your fish. First thing first, the meat, because you want it to be prepared and seasoned and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and check my fish by washing it with some water on. Just bought the fish. Check it. Make sure the fish is good, fresh still. Even though I check it at the store, wash them off a little bit. So you go ahead and clean the fish. Make sure you check it, wash it. The fish is good. You grab a knife too, guys. Grab a knife, and they scale your fish, but make sure you always double check to see if there's no extra scale on it. You see all of that coming off. You gotta make sure the edges and the corners, always, guys, double check your fish. Look at that mad scale coming off my fish. They say they clean at the store. That's one thing Chef Willie clean to the core. Everything gotta be clean. Look at this. Check my head, watch the scale of fly. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add meat. Put some vinegar now and clean it up. After you wash your fish, don't forget, check your shelf. Look for your vinegar here. Hold on, let me check my shelf. I got everything well prepared right here. I got some lime juice. And my special vinegar. Everything I eat is meat. Always gotta put a little vinegar. Wash it. And a little lime juice. Get all that raw smell off your fish before you prepare it. Wash that off, guys. Tap water. You don't have to use hot or cold. Make sure it's fresh. I rather use cold water on my fish to keep it fresh. You know, wash all that smell. Make my fish ready for the road. Drain it off. Yeah. So I go ahead, guys, and always dry my fish. Okra slime. I forget every time. You forget the okra slime. This is how you clean okra, guys. You cut the head off. Very simple and easy. I always chip piece of the tail off, because you see that little black spot? Always gotta chip that off. Get the fresh part of the food. Just turn them all at once. One chop is it. This is how I do it. I just break them off like this. You know, my red onions always. And my garlic separated this way. Look, when they clean it up and stuff, you got everything separate, corns and stuff. But our garlic, always cut these up separate because I'm gonna put this in first. You know, cut this up real fine. And some onions. Garlic and onions real fine, guys. A lot. Play with my garlic and my onions. Everything is set right here, guys. I'm gonna prepare my season up my fish. Come on, season up my fish, showing how I'm gonna do it. Let's tap him up, tap him up. Start with my ginger, put it in the middle, and in the back, wave it, and a little on that. Next one. Apply seasoning. A little bit of that. And there's some fish seasoning, as I show you in the beginning. Apply some fish seasoning all over. A little color. And start steam. All of this is gonna fall off a bit. A little black chili pepper. Get a little flavor here. And spices in that. Not too much of the black pepper, guys. Just a little bit. Flash it around. So all the food need a little flash. Rub it in. Don't be afraid to rub it in, guys. Hey, my dog here, come in. Hey, see? That does ace to the car. Anytime I'm cooking, he always want to be in the kitchen. Come in. Come right here. Sit. That a boy. Do not touch me when I'm cooking. You know the policy. Pause. Let me see your paw. Good boy. Alright, get out of the kitchen. He always want to be in the kitchen. When Chef Willie in the kitchen cooking, he smell the food from early and he already know. But you know what food I gave him after I finished eating. Not that. So I'm going to start, guys. I'm going to go add all this stuff in the pot. I'm going to only use butter and garlic and steam my fish. I don't use oil. Watch this. Chef Willie. Yeah. Now some margarine, cooking butter, like my stove. If I make it go on hot, you see? Throwing a piece of butter in like making 2 fish steam. Put a nice bite-sized piece of butter. Make it go on melt. The 2 fish them. Use your estimation, guys. You don't have to kill the pot. Remember, you're steaming it with butter and water and all of that. You're steaming it. You don't have to kill it with oil and butter. Watch it. Watch and learn. Chef Willie in the kitchen. Mad same thing, you see it? The butter go and melt. You see me? Then grab a dash of garlic and chew him in it too. Very quick, easy and simple, guys. Chef Willie in the kitchen now, mad same thing. Everything I steam 1 time. Everything I'm steam done right. Normally I put my fish in first, guys, but I want my fish to break it up with all these food. So I'm gonna steam this first. I'm gonna put this in it. Steam everything first. Keep it in it. Steam everything in it first. Sauteing it down with my butter and my garlic. Everything is in the pot. Add a little more garlic, butter, and leave that, guys, let it steam. Turn, yeah, because you know the broccoli and the carrots them take a while, and the corn. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little water in it. Tap just a little water. Always keep your tap water in case you need it. Let me see. It's producing its own water now, guys, so you don't have to come make your own water. So you don't have to really pressure it right now. Just leave it, let it steam for like 10 minutes. Then you could add your fish in it, moving around, add your fish, and then flip it. Yeah, and make it steam. Remember, the corns, guys, it takes a while, and broccoli tends to be hard. You know, so the fish takes only 15 minutes. So you just want those to steam for a little bit and get accustomed to the cooking, and then you add your fish in it and everything. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that in a minute. Brown stew, steamed fish, Chef Willie way style up. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get this turned to be brown stew. You get a little brown in, and you add a little tip in it, top it off, give it a little color. I add that from early my water, make it steam in it. You get me? Steam in it. My corns, I like to lay my corns flat so they could get the little water down there and steam. Yeah, watch this. So the carrot them halfway cook. You could see it by looking to the middle, not all that soft, you know. But everything is halfway cooked. With the water going down, not too much water in it, guys. This is when Chef Willie grab his fish and just lay it in. Make way into it. You know, you don't cover it with the corns. Because the corn, you just want it to lay in the water to steam on one side. Remember, guys, I just got 2 little fish. Chef Willie. So we do it, and then you use this now and cover it a little bit. Cover it with okra, cover it with juice. You see me? Cover everything. I thought that was my dog. Yeah. Chef Willie do it. Yeah, so remaining garlic, add it on top. I'll make Chef everything for you. I like shaking my pot down. Be careful with that, guys. Make it stay in steam. Look, as you could put it down now. So the bubble will come and steam through it. So catch it, you see all this steam up. Just left it on low. Get low cook, guys. Don't burn it full. Look, so guys, look, see where I steam down, take them off of it, so they make it too. Make sure they make it a little steam somewhere the bubble, guys. See me? Yes, come show them. Come here. Yes. So brand new bust it dance, yes, watch it. Watch it coming up. Up. You see me? Watch pot, man, pot of steam down same way, guys. In the kitchen, the pot of oil, steam and bubble. Yeah, make it go and simmer down. Broccoli them cook, corn cook, carrot cook. You just make the fish go and steam down a little water, guys. And that's how we do it. Boop. It's time to check up on the fish and see if everything I said. We can smell it in the air, guys. You can smell everything, the greens, the broccoli, the steamed fish. Well, right, y'all. Can't wait to eat this. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my plate. Chef Willie in the kitchen. Well steamed up. Turn the fire off, guys. My fish well steamed, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead, always take these stuff off first because you don't want to damage your fish. So I'm grabbing from scratch. Chef Willie do it with me in the kitchen, guys. So, make my plate, guys. This is how it look. Brown stew steamed fish from scratch. Chef Willie with okra corns and broccoli. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.